What's cooking, good-looking silver foxes? It's Caleb doing this 28th newsletter solo. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click our notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. We would like to give a special thanks to our amazing sponsors for their continued dedication and support of this amazing school. We have lots of April news to talk about this week, so let's get this show on the road. On Tuesday, April 8th, the Tom's Fine Arts will be presenting a Spectrum concert at 6:30 p.m. in our gym. This concert will include small ensembles and soloists from our band, orchestra, and choral programs. On Wednesday, April 9th, the Carolina Forest Elementary 5th graders are coming to Tom's to tour our fine school and meet the staff as they prepare to rise to 6th grade. Yeah. Then on Thursday, April 10th, Kona Ice will be arriving for recess, so bring that money of yours.
I will.
On April 11th, the 7th grade band members will attend the Charleston Music Festival. Also happening on the 11th, the extra recess incentive will take place for the 75th iReady kids. And if that wasn't enough, the Orchestra Solo and Ensemble Festival will be happening at Ocean Bay Middle School at 4 p.m.
Oh my god! But wait, there's more!
On Saturday, April 12th, CFHS is offering free physicals from 7th to 12th graders during the time of 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. This is the perfect time for any athletes planning on participating in the sports in the 2025 to 2026 school year. Oh my God. The Powder Puff game will be postponed until the fall. Sorry for any inconvenience or trauma for all of you guys wanting to see the game.
You know what? Put my finger down. Yeah.
With the arrival of warm and humid weather of spring, we would like to remind everyone of the Horry County Schools and Ten Oaks Middle School dress code guidelines.
Hello, Governor.
Clothing should be school appropriate with short skirts and dresses at or near fingertip length. Midriff tops, pajamas and slippers and visible undergarments should be left at home. Tank tops and off-shoulder tops are not permitted except for designated pajama days. Shirts should be free of inappropriate language or imagery. We appreciate your support in ensuring that students follow these guidelines so that learning remains on the sole focus of the school day. And students, we appreciate you for following these guidelines so that you can be a successful learner.
Yeah, tell them.
Time for some congratulations and celebrations.
Yahoo!
As we are thrilled to announce that the Tom's 8th grade student, Annabella Luciano, is the winner of this year's National History Day NHD t-shirt design competition. Her clever design perfectly captures this year's theme, rights and responsibility in history. The Horry County Soil and Water Conservation District, HCSWCD, recently held an essay contest for students in the 2024-2025 school year centered around this theme, Wetlands Are Wonderful. This contest allowed students to explore the vital role wetlands play in our environment and the importance of their conservation. We are thrilled to announce our talented 7th grade winners for Tom's. In first place is Olivia Zhang. In second place, we have Eleanor Ostrike. And in third place, we have Gianna La Rocca.
Oh, hey! Give me my finger!
Congratulations to band director Mr. Jose Pope and the Tom's Wind Ensemble for receiving the Superior with Distinction at the 2025 Concert Performance Assessment. This is the highest possible rating, and it's the second time our wind ensemble has earned this prestigious honor. A huge thank you to Principal Lindsay Lennon for coming to support us, and to Mr. Walt Nichols for driving us.
Congratulations to Miss Scotia Salcedo, our Tom Staff Member of the Week. She was nominated by Miss Laura Listro. Miss Salcedo is an RBHS counselor at Tom's. This is her 3rd year working at Tom's.
Hey, what was her favorite middle school memory?
Her favorite memory of middle school was her 8th grade trip to Washington, D.C. Her advice to her middle school self would be, surround yourself with the people who bring the best out of you. Caught Being Good focus of the week. Going over to the board of the school's Caught Being Good program, we will now talk about this week's theme as it is being a collaborative partner. Research has shown that collaboration helps students learn the material more deeply and develop personal skills that will last a lifetime. This week's focus is on those students who work well with others towards a common goal. How have you worked with or helped a partner reach a common goal this week? Last week, we had our Music and Art Through the Decades Spirit Week highlighting the decades from the 70s to the 2000s. Here are some shots from all of that. Speaking of Spirit Weeks, what do you know? There's another one next week to the countdown of spring break. Here are some of the details. Monday the 14th is Made for Shades Day. Tuesday the 15th is Toes Out Tuesday. Wear your finest sandals and such. Wednesday the 16th is White Out Wednesday. We're all white. And Thursday the 17th is Travel Thursday. So wear your best traveling inspired clothing. And Friday, because we're not in school, it's spring break!
Yeah!
Thank the Lord.
Let's go! Huzzah!
Here's this week's lunch menu. Get the chicken filet sandwich or pepperoni pizza, both with a side of salad or PB&J or chips grab and go, or get extras of corn and green beans on Monday. Get the walking taco or cheese pizza with extras like the salsing dipping cup, lettuce and tomato or seasoned black beans, or get a salad, PB&J, or chips and grab and go on Tuesday. Get the chicken filet sandwich or pepperoni pizza, both with a side of a salad, PB&J, chips or grab and go, with extras of veggie nibblers and a baked potato on Wednesday. On Thursday, get some roasted chicken drumstick and thighs, or a cheese pizza with extras like corn or collard greens.
Yes.
On Friday, get some cheesy bites with marinara, the chicken filet sandwich, or the pepperoni pizza with PB&J or chips grab and go with the extras like garden salad or steamed mixed vegetables on Friday.
Chef birthdays!
Celebrating this star of the week for his birthday, we have Dr. Simone on the Dad joke of the week! I adopted a dog from the blacksmith. When we came home, you know what he did first? He made a bolt for the door. That's all, Silver Foxes! Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. And don't forget,
Success, nothing less! That's all. That's all, guys!
What's cooking, good-looking Silver Foxes? It's Caleb, bro.
I'm sorry, why
So you don't miss any of our videos.
She's making faces at me!
On Wednesday, April 9th.
No, it's not you.
No, it's not you. You don't get that kind of my face.
But wait,
there's more.
But wait, there's more!
On Saturday,
That's my line.
No.
I I got this.
You guys say, and then he speaks. 3.
Food.
Ooh.
The Powder Puff game will be postponed until the fall. Sorry for any inconvenience and trauma for all
Why
of you
are you
guys
booing?
wanting to see the game.
Because it's postponed.
I will
Now be
do
quiet.
One of the Horry County schools and Tenor
Horry?
School.
It is not hoary.
Hold up.
Why do we always
Hold
do
up.
this?
Can I say?
Why do we have this in
I
every
said
newsletter?
Horry,
You,
not
because you live
Horry.
here.
I don't. With the arrival of warm and humid weather this spring, we would like to remind everyone of the Horry County Schools and Ten Oaks Middle School.
Caleb. Ori. The
I'll
H
read
is
it.
silent.
I'll read it.
Shut up!
Tell him.
Shirts
Bruh.
learning remains sole. Oh God.
What you mean?
Can I say hello, Governor?
No.
Why aren't you going?
Hello, Governor.
Give me my finger back.
Y'all have to.
Second place.
In first place, Olivia Zhang. In second place, Eleanor's. Oh God.
Eleanor Ostrich. That's what I'm saying.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. I was closer than.
Hello, Governor.
Congratulations to all of our winners for their outstanding work. Let's continue to inspire the generation to care for our planet and protect our precious natural resources. A huge thank you to Miss Principal.
Can you shut your mouth?
Oh my. On Friday, get some cheesy bites with marinara, the chicken filet sandwich, or the pepperoni pizza with PB&J, or chips grab and go with the extras like garden salad or steamed mixed vegetables on Friday. I think I said that.
It's Dr. Simone, not Mr. Simone.
I'm fixing it.
First place, Olivia Zhang. In second place, stop clapping.
Oh.
We don't do it
Clap
until
We'll
the
clap
end.
at the end.
Congratulations to Mrs. Scotia.
It's
Sal-
Scotia.
Okay, it's Scotia.
Congratulations to Mrs. Scotia Salcedo.
Salcedo.
And we're going to try that again. Scotia Salcedo. Scotia Salcedo.
Scotia Salcedo. Congratulations to Mrs. Scotia Salcedo. Oh my.
Congratulations to Miss Scotia Salcedo. Oh crap.
Oh, you're messing up.
Giggity giggity goo. Okay, I got it.
Water is wet, you're right.
Water's wet.
My stepdad said water
You can
isn't
smell
wet.
water.
No, water's
there's
not
certain-
wet. Water's not
This
wet.
kid.
Water's not wet.
Yo.
How do
Water isn't wet. It makes